Hi! So today, now I'm going to teach you how to make a parrot. Parrots are nice. Let's learn maybe another way to twist things so it's stretch the balloon. And a pinch twist is what we're going to talk about with this one. So, I kind of blew it up a little too much. It's kind of getting long there. Oh, that's nice. Balloons, they go. I blew the blue balloon. So with the parrot, we're gonna start out with a bubble, not round bubble. Oops, but a slightly larger oval bubble. And this is gonna be his beak. And now we're going to make his head, which is definitely going to be larger than the first bubble. And you'll see why here in a second. So, twist. Now you're going to tie the nozzle, the front end here, to that twist you just made. This new one. There we go. You can twist. And then you can just pop it right through the middle there. I don't know how well you can see that. And that should hold it in place. Now here's the pinch twist. Let's learn that. So we're going to make a round bubble. Just a bubble. And we're going to fold it. We're going to twist this part to this part. Here we go. We're going to... You can kind of lift and twist, twisty twist. So it kind of makes this ear twisty shape. And so now you've got a crooked neck parrot. So you make another circle and another pinch twist. Kind of hard to do it, but a little wobbly, wiggly. Now, you gotta wiggle your bubbles around, but now, you got a parrot with a bow tie. Oh yeah, isn't he cute? Alright, so you gotta keep an eye on your tail, because now we're gonna do something called a roll-through body. At least I think that's what it's called. And we're gonna need to make three sections of bubbles. Each one could be about 6 inches long, depending on your balloons. I'm using a Qualtex 260. Yep, ordered that off the internet. Yeah. So you want to try to get these bubbles as equal length as possible. The first two. This one's a little shorter, but that's, yeah, I'll fix it right now. There we go. Equal length bubbles. Equal length bubbles. Twist. I'll hold it down. Now one more, it's going to be a little shorter. It's going to be for the front, the chest. The breast, if you will. A bit shorter. And here comes the roll-through part. We're gonna push it, push. Yay, kisses. So let's see. There we go. We got beak, head, bow tie, body, and then here's his wings. These are his back wings, and then let's make some feet. He needs some feet, and that way he can hold on to everybody. You grab a hold of your shoulder and sit there and just... So, there's another instance where you can use the pinch-a-bubble and pinch-a-bubble, or you could use the pedal twist, pedal fold. That one I think actually might work a little better in this instance. It's up to you. You can make a pinch twist here to lock it in place. I find that helps with kids. They're always putting on things, pulling, twisting. How'd you make that? Did you fix it? I don't want to fix things. I want to make them right the first time. So here you go. Depends on how you have it. You can pick it up and see. There you have it. Oh, creepy bird thing made out of balloon. Yay! Okay.